this as per usual, nice and easy as peeling and slicing. And literally we're going to cook those off to release a very kind of almost caramel. Well, they will be caramelised, so let's see if we've got that, that's fine, so we're going to use that. I'm just making use of some old onions as well as some new ones. So that big white one there is our new. So obviously the thinner you do this, the quicker it's going to do. Now, what was I going to say? You would, I used to, use butter, but for me, because of the lad and he's having the gravy, this will be browned in olive oil, caramelised in olive oil first. Oh. Caramelised first, gravy made, and then I'll finish it with butter. It is preferable if you can. I personally, I mean if you're vegan it's different, well no actually if you're vegan you can't really have this because it's beef. But no, if you're dairy free or lactose free, obviously olive oil, but I would, if you're fine with all that, then I definitely would brown it and caramelise onions in butter. Woo, this one's got a kick to it. Oh, wow. Whoa, that's got a hell of a kick to it. Wow. If anybody knows how to stop eyes watering when peeling onions, please do leave me a comment below because, oh wow. I look like I've been crying for about 10 minutes. Okay, but I'm going to turn that right down. The key to this is not burning the onions. Burn the onions and this gravy is ruined. So I have turned that right down and I'm going to cook these up, stray bit of skin. So while they're softening, get on the harder work. So there we go, there's my onions, they're beginning to soften. I'm going to turn them up slightly. And whilst that's there, so that on is about 5 minutes really. Bits and I was just focusing on doing some mash for the lad. And I can put them. So this is all the bearing stuff, this is just waiting. So I am going to come back, I'll let you know how long it's been. since I put those onions on. Peace. I'm just going to drop of water. So I forget what you call that, but get that delicious flavour off the bottom. And there you go, they are browning nicely now. Anyway, that's a bit longer than I wanted. Took 15 minutes, but this part's incredibly easy. We're now 2 to 3 tablespoons. I'm going for 4, I think I like mine quite thick. And I'm literally just going to get that coating the onions. Needs to be cut through really. We don't want that floury taste really. And that's coming on nice. I'm just going to taste that. Oh wow. That's got a delicious flavour to it. You've got that charred of the char from the cast iron, not burnt, char flavouring. And what we've got there is we've got our delicious so that's that done really. Sautéed cabbage, nice, quick, simple, 5-minute dish. Back to our onions. We're going to turn that up a little bit now actually I think. And now I've got some of my stock, use your stock of choice, okay. I'm using the OXO stock pots, not cubes, okay. Going about 300ml to start. And this case now. I'm going to keep, so I'm doing this by eye really. I'm making sure that it's not becoming too thick. Got a raw piece that's just undercooked, so I'm just going to take it out. Why would I do that? Ow! Just hurt me burning myself. Quite badly actually. So that's bubbling away nicely. I'm going quiet there because there's not a lot else to talk about. This is just being finished off. So yeah, I just need to pause. So yeah, that's coming on nicely. What I'm going to do, okay, a little bit, maybe a bit too much browning, just to give it that rich beef colouring. Oh, that's possibly too much. Will do. So that's done. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to just scoop some of that out for me little lad. Oh no, I'm not. First thing I'm going to do, salt, and we'll go back, salt and black pepper. Taste that seasoning. Yep, that's the stuff. So that's for the lad, which he'll lap up. And now, I'm going to whack that down. I'm going to put it on my back hob, because I need to do something in a minute. And there you go. That's just going to simmer away nicely. But the last bit to finish it and give it that delicious glossiness, okay, that is great on any sauce, is a generous knob of butter. And there we go. We'll just let that melt in. Show it a bit. Music away. That's nice. I'm just going to keep that simmering away with that butter. Beautiful. And there you go. It's our delicious, beautiful onion gravy. And again, I need to tighten that up really, because that's not good for a shot. I've got a dirty pan. We don't want a dirty pan. We want a nice, almost, I don't know if it's possible. Can't stop tasting it, which is a good sign. So there you go. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.